Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Menstrual cramps. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of dried cramp bark, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half a cup of raw honey, and 2 cups of water. Instructions: peel and grate the ginger finely. In a small saucepan, combine 2 cups of water with the cramp bark, grated ginger, and cinnamon. Bring the mixture to a simmer over medium heat and let it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the herbs to infuse into the water. Remove from the heat. Strain to remove any solids through a cheesecloth and allow the liquid to cool slightly. Stir in the honey until completely dissolved. Pour into clean glass airtight jars and store in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. How to use: take 1 to 2 tablespoons of the herbal syrup by mouth as needed to relieve menstrual cramps. You can take it straight or mix it with warm water or tea for added comfort. Repeat every few hours as needed until symptoms improve. So how does it all work? Cramp bark contains methyl salicylate, which is a natural muscle relaxant that helps reduce uterine contractions and relieve menstrual cramps. Ginger has gingerol, which is an anti-inflammatory and analgesic that can help reduce inflammation and pain associated with that time of the month. Cinnamon has cinnamaldehyde that may reduce prostaglandin production and alleviate pain. It also improves blood circulation, which can reduce cramping. Honey offers up a sweetness and may have additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.